Hi there, Nigel. Sorry I went quiet on the last ticket that you replied to. I just had my wife was in hospital for a couple of weeks, so it kind of threw me off track a little bit. But I'm looking to pick up on re-implementing the messaging system as a in conjunction with my multi-vendor website. So basically, retreatments.com. This is one of the vendor pages that I'm working with, and I'm using eForms. This is a contact form to handle the incoming inquiries. So basically, when somebody asks a question, um, they put in their email address, and then this form gets sent to Zapier, and what I've realized is that and this is just to make this sort of clear, is that the ticketing system is on a separate instance of WordPress. They're not awesome to support. I wanted to keep it separate from the website itself, so that's why I'm using the Zapier bridge. So when someone submits the form, the details get brought into Zapier. All details come through absolutely fine. Then I'm able to create the message exactly as I need to. All of that works absolutely fine. The issue comes when I realized, I didn't realize this sooner, that the ticket, I can assign it to the correct agent, this is one of the vendors that I'm working with, MuseFlower. It's got the right product there, so that's good. But when I actually look at the ticket, it's obviously created by me in this instance, and not the customer. I can appreciate why that happens, because when you're posting stuff to the database, then you have to create you have to give a user's credentials. But my question is, how can I, or is it possible to use this type of Zapier integration to achieve and to be able to set the user's email address, which I get here, against the ticket? Is there a way to do this using the rules engine, or is there something that I can do in Zapier to set this properly? But I'm guessing that I need to be able to create a WordPress account for the user in order for them to be able to communicate. I don't need the user to have a login really to Awesome Support, because I'm using email piping. So I don't know if there's an option where I can just change the first interested party email. Would this work, or would this be valid? I know this looks like it's hard coded, so I'm not sure if I can bring in a variable here and set that. Would that work properly? So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at with it. The route that I was sort of looking at before with you was to create the forms, to create the tickets when someone sends an email to the support address. But this didn't seem to be working for some reason with my contact form, the eForm plugin that I'm using. I think we could fix that, or maybe we could use Zapier to send the email from the sender's email address. But one of the concerns that I have is, if we do that, is there an issue about being blacklisted because you're spoofing the customer's email address in doing this, or is there a workaround? Or again, I'm just looking to find a solution, and yeah, hoping you have a suggestion. Okay, sorry for this took a long time, but thought it was easier to create a video to explain it. Okay, thanks, Nigel.